Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of AI powered creativity with OpenAI's latest project Sora. Just a month ago, OpenAI introduced Sora, a tool designed to revolutionize the creative process for artists, filmmakers and designers. But how exactly is it changing the game? OpenAI hasn't wasted any time gathering valuable feedback from top creatives who have been putting Sora to the test. These early adopters include visionary directors, multimedia production companies, and even an artist in residence at OpenAI. The key takeaway? Sora isn't about replicating the old. It's about bringing impossible ideas to life. Let's hear directly from the artists who are pushing the boundaries with Sora. Let's see what Shy Kids have to say. This Toronto-based production company used Sora to create a mind-bending short film featuring a balloon man. They describe it as a tool that allows them to expand on stories we once thought impossible. Walter Woodman, the director, highlights the ability to not just create realistic scenes but also surreal and fantastical imagery, ushering in a new era of abstract expressionism. Paul Trillo, a multi-talented director who's garnered recognition from prestigious publications, Trillo describes working with Sora as a liberating experience. He feels unchanged as a filmmaker, free from limitations and able to experiment in bold ways. Nick Cleverov, the co-founder of Native Foreign, an Emmy-nominated creative agency, sees Sora as a tool to visualize concepts and iterate on ideas quickly for clients. He believes budgetary restraints no longer have to dictate the creative narrative. The impact of Sora goes beyond stunning visuals. Artists like August Camp, a musician and multidisciplinary artist, sees Sora as a turning point, bringing the gap between imagination and limitations. Josephine Miller, co-founder of Aurora Studio, describes Sora's ability to rapidly conceptualize high-quality visuals, pushing her creative process and storytelling to new heights. Don Allen Stevenson, a digital artist with experience at DreamWorks Animation, highlights Sora's weirdness as a strength. It allows him to prototype fantastical creatures and focus on pure creativity. Alex Rabin, OpenAI's artist in residence, sees Sora as a starting point for sculpting. He is exploring the potential of transforming video generated by Sora into physical 3D models. So, here's the conclusion. These first impressions paint a clear picture. Sora is a game changer. It's empowering creatives to break free from constraints and explore uncharted territories in the realm of storytelling and visual expression. As OpenAI continues to develop Sora, the possibilities seem endless. Stay tuned for future updates on this revolutionary tool and let us know in the comments below what kind of creative projects you would tackle with Sora. That's it for this video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.